You're about to start your content journey and you are thinking to yourself, I do not have everything that I need to start this content thing. I don't have a camera. I don't even have LED light. I do not have a ring light. I do not have this. I do not have that. I'm here to tell you that with just what you have, you can create content. Now, this particular video that I am shooting is without a ring light. I am not using a ring light to shoot this video. The only thing that I made sure that I did was to open all windows. I am using natural light for this video. And if you don't believe me as regards the ring light, let me put it on for you to see. Now, come here. Can you see? Can you see, guys? Can you see? Can you see? I can decide to change the color of the light. I can decide to do this. I can decide to do this. I can decide to reduce the light. You know. Well, I'm not using any of this because I just want to prove a point to you that you don't need a ring light before you can start your content journey. Another thing that I don't use whenever I want to shoot my content is microphone. Not because I did not get a microphone. I actually got a microphone, but since I got it till now, the microphone is not working. It doesn't work for my phone. I don't know what happened, but that is not stopping me from still shooting my content. It is not stopping me. The only thing that I make sure to do is to make sure that the environment is silent. And whenever I want to edit the video, I sometimes add volume to it in the CapCut app that I use to edit my videos. So that's it. Right now, I am using the holder on my ring light, the phone holder on my ring light to shoot this content. So some of you might not have access to any form of ring light or anything. Not to worry. You can stack up books together. Stack them. Your books, stack them against a wall and place your phone resting on the wall and shoot your contents. You are good to go. You are good to go. Trust me, that is all that you need. That is all that you need, at least to start. Then as time goes on, you can now think of, getting other gears, getting other things that you need to create the content. The only thing that I'm making use of right now is my phone, which you will need, myself, and my phone holder. That is all I am making use of right now to shoot this video. So you do not have any excuse. Now look at this video. Is it not clear enough? Are you not seeing my face? Can't you hear me? You can hear me. So that is all we need. So you have a lot of content, you have value that you are ready, you are willing to add to the society. Now is the time for you to do that. Get into action, create that content. In this video basically because I just want you to also go into content creation. Trust me, since since I started this content creation journey, it's been a very interesting one. I wouldn't lie to you. I have met people after shooting all of this content and you still want to go ahead to say, okay, I want it to be brighter, I want it to be sharp, I want it to be this or that. That is why we have apps that will help you with your editing. Get the job done, increase brightness, your sharpness, whatever it is that you want to do, increase the volume of your voice, and that's it. Honestly, that is all you need to do. Get right into it and let's create this content together, okay? Let's create this content together. And yeah, that brings me to the end of today's video. I hope that I have been able to convince you and not confuse you on starting your content creation journey. Please get the work done fast. Don't procrastinate. This is not the time for you to procrastinate. I said it in my video. The only person stopping you from achieving this success, starting this journey, is you. You are the only person stopping yourself from achieving all of these dreams. So get the job done right now. Are you still here? What are you still waiting for? Excuse you. Get right into it. But before you go, before you go, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and put on your notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post any of my content. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for watching the video to this point. I remain your usual but uncommon girl, Tomi. Okay. Till I see you next time, it's all love and peace from this side. Bye guys.